Premium Eye Hold Transfer Foil. Hey, Claus by Kels, how are you, love? Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, Debbie, hi, Money. Mama, Mamita, hello, how are you? Alright, so I am going to apply just you can do like 70% or half, it doesn't matter. I'm excited to see what is this design is gonna take us to. Make sure you apply enough. You don't want to apply that missing spot and then clear up properly. 30 seconds for this one. Also on that one too, in the meantime, I'm gonna apply that one. Same thing we're gonna do with is Premium Eye Hold Transfer Foil. And I'm gonna do maybe in like 70% too. Today's gonna be like 5 minutes nail art. Really cool, fast, simple, easy, and it's so unique as well. All right, make sure I don't miss anything. It shouldn't be. Here you go. And I only have a piece of my tweezers right there. All right, so I'm gonna cut that a little bit. If you don't want this spot, you can absolutely cut it to get into where you would like your nails to have the transfer foils on. I think I want that spot. I think. Maybe the big flowers, the big roses. All right. Using my tweezers, dual end. This is awesome, Pixie for transfer foil. And it's gonna transfers. Create everything. Give it a good press. And make sure sometimes you're doing it, this one, you have to put all the way into the lamp. Sometimes you put it in the just outside on the edges, it doesn't cure for yours. I think I dropped something right here. I got it. My hands had a little oil, so then it doesn't feel it at all. Should transfer everything. Here you go. The crease. Okay, good. Move this one. And I want this part on this nails. Keep it really good. Give it a good press on. Rub good. So then that's where it can transfer perfectly for you. Because with the nails that have the C curve and the structures, you want to make sure you get it all the edges, so you won't miss anything for us. Pretty much this. Oh, good. If I don't miss it, then it's just the edges of it. Okay. So we can do the designs on these two cute nails. Maybe we should do flowers on that one. I'm using condensed glue gels on both of this. So cute and interesting on this one. Let's do this first because I start from this nail first so you won't confuse anyone. Both of them are using chamfer foil. Should we do a chains on this one? Look good. If you don't have a chains, we can do something else. Can you have the air on for a second? You feel like a woman here? Alright, so you know what I forgot? Top coat. So when it happened like this, take it off. Not a big deal. Put the no wipe top coat on it. Sorry, because I do two nails and I'll think of two designs at the same time right now. 5 minutes like nail art. Here you go. If the client's asking, okay, Nancy, I would like to get something that's cute and my price range is $10 or $15, and you know, like it's a little bit residues for my picker. I'm using a white opal. How's everyone doing today? Thank you so much for tuning in. You don't know how much I appreciate every single of you. Hope you all like learning something as I always learning something from you. I have it on my side here so then it keep our backgrounds nice. Really simple. Alright, I'm gonna do rose gold. Rose gold, can you get me a rose gold beads right there? Thank you.
One bead?
Right here, right here. I'm sorry.
You want frame?
No, you're gonna have to pour it in the tray. Just the beads only. So if the clients like it like this or no others, like it looks beads and it looks like a jewelry, you can leave it alone. Absolutely looks great here. But if you want to add some little extras in here to make it look a little bit more fancy, like a fancier. And you can place them between the crystals. That's where is two of them. You can do a smaller crystal, you can do a bigger one. Just however your clients would like. Ta-da! That's it. That's all you get. And clean on the edges. Here for 60 seconds. If the clients have like whole set of black colors or like a pink color, you can do something like that. And you can change the crystal on this in a different shape, different exquisite shape, like, and also you can do a difference, like if instead of opal, white opal, you can do blue, green, however you would like, or pink. All right, so here 60 seconds for this one. Let's move on to this one, and I am going to apply the condensed glue gel too. Really? thick density, so you apply thin coat. Well, not too thin, not too thick, because you do not want to be really thick, then it's gonna flood your crystal. Also, you don't want to do it too thin because it will you know, it's not holding your crystal in good one place. So when you're doing your no wipe top coat on, the reason we're using a no wipe top coat, the purpose of it's between condensed and clear condensed glue gels, and no wipe top coat will help grab the base of crystal, charm, and chains in one place. I'm really curious about this, and I really want to get this one. Look cool. That's it. Can I get my red one right there? I said, wait, Nancy, why is that it? That's it. That's all you gave it to me. You can add some red crystal on. This is more like a red, bright red. I think it's scarlet, this one, and then maybe pumpkin spice. You think? It might be too orange, huh?
Might carry it that away. That's a bit too orange for that.
Yeah, no. Thank you. I'm gonna give it along with that. You don't have to. If you have an idea, like the clients want something different, you can absolutely. I'm doing 5 minutes of a nail art, so you can absolutely offer the client something like this. Sorry, here you go. Can I get a silver beads if you can, please?
Okay.
Silver beads, please. Thank you. I'm gonna matching with the lips that we have right here. I know, I like that. I'm gonna put some beads, the silver beads on. So excited to get to create this for you. And if anyone have a question regarding to the contest, not only excited to join our team, also you get a really good big prize for 5 of the winner. So let us know if you have any question. We're here to support. Just kidding yesterday and said I'm gonna enter because I have one set already. I can enter to win. Just to participate with everyone. I don't know why every time I see the red colors, it just makes me so happy though. Maybe the colors of the hearts. I like the red colors. Like even like poinsettia, I like that a lot. Here with this station. You can do this straight. You don't have to do it in like, you know, diagnose of what I'm doing. Absolutely is depends on your preference and your clients. You can use a beads or you can use a frame. Tony, thank you so much from Facebook. Can you check if I have any comments? Money, that's how you feel about blue. What blue did you like? Like have a deep sea blue? Did you like cobalt blue? What color is your blue? Is your favorite? So blue have a lot of shade as well. It's the same with red. Red have a lot of shade too, like orange, red, blue, red. I don't know. I like really like red. All right. Super cute for this nails. I don't know about this. This is so cute. Even though I have some roses on the side right there. But okay, you still see some roses, but you're seeing the kisses right there. I don't know what happy lips or kisses or whatever. I'll take it. Ta-da! Key for 60 seconds.